Klorese is a rather unique product. It's essentially human. The body produces hypochlorous in order to combat infection. So by using Klorese, you're essentially using something that's very natural. The benefit obviously is because of the biofilm removal, and is one of the only products that's been approved by the APA.
Klorese is a product also that we're launching here at APIC 2022, and it's also something we're really excited about because it really is effectively human. So it has the same makeup that the human body has, that the human body uses to fight infections.
Klorese is the only disinfectant that achieves an EPA trifecta. It's on the N list, the K list, and has a kill claim for biofilm.
It's really a product that can help reduce the number of products that are used in healthcare or education or hospitality situations. It can help save space, save labor. If you don't have as many chemicals being switched in and out, it helps us live the do more, do it better, do it for less kind of mantra that we've incorporated into our company.